Your neck feels like a rusted hinge by 5 p.m. every single day because you spent hours hunched over a glowing screen. Your shoulders are creeping up toward your ears and you feel a dull ache that just won't quit. Then you see an ad for a little device that promises to fix everything in just 10 minutes while you lie on the floor. It sounds like a dream come true for anyone dealing with chronic stiffness. This specific posture release tool is currently making huge waves across social media feeds. They claim it can target that stubborn hump at the base of your neck and melt away the tension buried deep at the base of your skull. The marketing is incredibly polished and uses terms that sound very official. They boast about thousands of 5-star reviews and a nearly perfect rating from thousands of buyers. They even throw in a 90-day trial to make the purchase feel like a zero-risk decision. But we need to take a serious breath and look at what is actually happening under the surface. Is a small support device really going to reshape your skeleton? Marketing is a powerful force that targets our deepest frustrations. We all want a quick fix for a problem that likely took years of repetitive habits to build up. When you lie down on the device like this, you will definitely feel a stretch. That stretch can feel amazing in the moment. It might even provide some genuine temporary relief, because you are finally forcing yourself to stop looking down at a phone. However, a temporary feeling of comfort is not the same thing as a permanent structural change to your spine. You have to ask yourself if the tool is doing the heavy lifting, or if you are just finally giving your muscles a break from gravity. Those nearly perfect ratings should actually make you stop and think for a second. A 4.9 out of 5 is an almost impossible score for any physical product used by thousands of people. Real life is usually much messier than a perfect testimonial page would lead you to believe. You must consider the physical dimensions and how the device actually fits your unique neck shape. Every human spine has a different curve and a different set of needs. One size rarely fits everyone when it comes to orthopedic support. If your pain stems from a genuine medical issue, a simple support tool might just be a temporary bandage on a much larger fire. You need to look past the shiny videos and the emotional stories. Check the return policy carefully. Look for feedback on independent forums where the company cannot delete the negative comments. It is unlikely to be a total scam in the sense that you get nothing for your money. It is a physical object that provides a stretch. But the gap between a nice stretch and a permanent cure for bad posture is massive. Your posture is a living habit that happens every second of the day. It is not something you can just click back into place with a short session on the floor. Relying on a gadget can sometimes make us less aware of the actual muscle strength we need to develop. Just be careful not to expect a total physical transformation from a passive piece of equipment. Real lasting change usually requires more than just lying down. It requires active movement and a change in how you sit and stand. The device might be a helpful part of your routine, but it is not a magic wand. Your body is a complex system that responds best to consistent care rather than just a quick fix.